off at the fire brigade and fell off the top of the truck. And then ran over her legs.
Yes, and then she was okay and she went home and had a spa bath and then it all happened.
No!
I know. I love your dress. Is it new?
It's new. It's not new. Well, it's new, but it's not new. It's got it from the second-hand shop. So it's not technically new, but it is new for me.
Oh, that's too nice. I love it. Look, I got this thing from Rafter. He's been spoiling me sick.
Very nice.
He's been spoiling me sick.
Ever since the new manager job.
Yes. Last Friday.
So he should be home soon.
He should be. He'll be back for his snack break soon. He looks so nice in his new suit.
Oh, there's bloody dogs next door. Jeez.
Oh, don't get me started. Hang on. About dogs, I got a new dog. Pixie. Look at her. Glitter. She won't come to you. She only likes Rafter and I. She's a bit funny when it comes to other people. But you don't like dogs anyway, so it doesn't matter.
No, I like dogs. You must have mixed up.
Stop.
It's from the show when I got the dreadful food poisoning from the Dagwood dog, and then I went and had a hot dog because I had an upset stomach, and that made it twice as worse. So I'll stay away from those now, but not real dogs.
Same. Yes, because one time I don't eat hot dogs anymore, or Dagwood dogs, because I broke all